So if your power button is not working anymore and you want to turn on your phone, here are some ways of doing it. So first of all, make sure to prepare a laptop or computer with any operating system and make sure that you have a USB cable to connect to your Samsung device. After that, we gotta hold our volume down, here it is, and volume up button simultaneously. And while we are doing this, we have to plug in our cable. So let's do this. So once again, hold them simultaneously and let's plug in our cable. Now keep on holding them until the screen will log in. So here it is. It's very dim, unlikely, but I'll try to show it to you. So now we have to press our volume down button. Press it and your phone will start its rebooting process. So as you see, the phone started our rebooting process, which is a great sign. Also, don't forget not to press your volume up button because this will start a completely different process. So press your volume down button and your phone will start rebooting. After that, you can use it as usual, and basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.